Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a video wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on wallpaper. Then tap on my wallpapers. Now some of the wallpapers in here are already preloaded. So you can see it's got feature tab, and if it's a video wallpaper, it say video. Otherwise, if it's a picture, it will have no video button on it. Now, if you tap on the downloaded tab, it will show you all the wallpaper or the video wallpapers that you have downloaded. It will show us in here. And these are the pre-built wallpapers that comes with your device. Now choose a video wallpaper that you would like to use. So for example, this one right here, and then tap on set on lock screen, and then that's it. So we can test it out now on the lock screen, and you can see the videos is now set as a wallpaper. Now you can also download more videos wallpaper. Now to do so, you want to go back out from the menu, back out to the wallpaper settings, and in here tap on explore more wallpapers. And then what you want to do is tap on the search button up here, and you can put in a name or you can type in video, and it shows all the video wallpaper. Some of them are free and some of them you need to pay. So choose the one that you want to use. Now you can also tap on the drop down right here and choose top free or new. So if you want to look for free video wallpaper, you would put in top free, and then in here choose a video that you would like to use. Before you download, you can also preview of the video to see what it looks like. And if you're happy, tap on the download button. So it is now downloading. This video is around 14 megabytes. And then tap on applied. If you're happy, tap on set on lock screen. And that's it. So I'm just going to tap on the apply button again. Okay, so that's done. So we can test it out. And that's it. So that's how you can set a video wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.